Hello, everybody. Welcome to Moodi's Academy. Today we have an exponential equation. So right here, this we start using a calculator solve this equation, right? So how do we go about this? We have 8s to the power of -2 equals 2 over 25. So let's see how we're going to treat this, right? So what I have here, I have So I have 8s to the power of -2 equals 2 over 25. So what binds these two together, 8 and s, is multiplication sign. So the only thing that can separate them is division sign. But we are not using division here. We are not separating them in neither. So what we're going to do, we're just going to kind of like space them by using the same word, multiplication sign. So let's go. By my solution, I have 8 times x to the power of -2 equals 2 over 25, right? So I've been able to establish this. So what do I do next? So from here, I'm going to make sure that you see the negative right here is going to change to 1 over s. It's going to change to 1 all over, 1 all over. So the s will be carried the 2 without any negative sign, right? And the 8 here is going to multiply the 1, right? So what I have 8 times this right here, the negative right here automatically change to 1 over. It's going to change to what? 1 all over, right? And this s right here will come down. And the 2 right here is going to be what? Still going to be the power. But now there's no negative anymore. So equates everything to 2 over 25. Right? So this is how you approach this kind of what? Question or equation whatsoever. Right? So right here, we have 8 times 1 all over s to the power of 2 equals 2 over 25, right? Here I have 8 times 1 is still going to be what? Anything multiplied by 1 still remain that thing, right? So 8 times 1 is going to be 8 over x to the power of 2, right? Equals 2 over 25, right? So we've been able to establish this. So we proceed, right? We proceed. So right here, we have, so what do we do at this junction? So I'm going to repeat what I already have right here, right? Because I'm going to establish something new, right? So most of us don't really know how to kind of like approach this. So, but for me to do that, I'm still going to repeat this same equation right here. I have 8 over x to the power of 2 equals 2 over 25. So right here, what we're going to do right here, we're going to what? Cross multiply. We're going to cross multiply. Cross multiply in the sense that 25 is going to multiply 8 and s squared is going to multiply 2, right? So what do we do right here? So I have 8 times 8 times 25 equals s squared times, so right here, so I'm going to say s, right? So equals 2 times s squared, right? We proceed. So right here, 8 times 25. So right here, we're not going to use any calculator. So let's see, 8 times 25. If I have 25, then I have 8 times 8 times 5 give me 40, right? I put down 0, carry 4. Then 8 times 2 give me 16 plus that 4 is going to be what? 20, right? It's going to be 20. right? So this case, yeah, 8 times 25 is going to give me what? 200 equals 2s. 2 times s squared is going to give me what? 2s squared, right? So we proceed. So right here, I have 200 equals 2s squared. So because I'm going to make s the surrogate of the formula, so I'm going to change s. I'm going to make s come to this side and make 200 go to the other side. This is not changing anything. It's not changing any sign, mind you, right? So I'm going to just flip it. So 2s squared equals 200. So for this to be more easy for us to understand, right? So I didn't change anything there. I just kind of like interchange them, right? Because I'm making S the subject of the formula. So what do I do here? So at this junction, I'm going to have 2. I'm going to have 2 divide both sides, right? I'm dividing both sides by what? The coefficient of S squared. What's the coefficient of S squared? Is 2, right? So 2 divide what? 2S squared. Then 2 divide 200 as well. 2 cancel that 2 here. S squared comes down equals 2 divided 2 is equal to 1 and bring the 2 0 down, right? This is going to be what? 100, right? So we've been able to establish this. We move on. So right here, we have S squared equals what? 100. So what do we do? The square right here, the power 2 right is going to go to the other side of the quality sign. When it changes or when it crosses, it goes to change what? A square root upon 100, right? Let's do that. We have S equals, then this, the 2 here is going to form what? A square on top of the 100, right? We have square root of what? 100, right? So we're going to take square root of 100. Mind you, we're not using calculator here, but I'm going to show you how to do that, even if you don't know the square root of what? 100. What we do, I've done this before in my other class. So just put what? Draw a little table here and put 100 right here. Look for a factor that can divide 100 without any remainder. What's that factor? I think 10 is going to be the what? The best one, right? So pick 10. 10 going to 100, we're going to have what? 10. So another 10 again, going to 100, we're going to have 1. So you can't divide anymore. This is a perfect way, right? So here, we pick one of the 10s. We pick one of the 10s, yeah? So that's the square root, right, of 100. So S is equal to what? 10, right? So that is the answer. With this, we call it a day. Please, mind you, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to do so to support us. If there's any comment, leave it at the comment section below. And like this video and share to your friends and what? Families. Anyone